Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin status has having a very great day. It's having a very great week. It's also having a very great month. It's up 98% in the last 24 hours, currently trading around the $0.05 level. How high can status go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we pump to new all-time highs? We're still waiting for that long-awaited alt season. Will status be among the leaders in the cryptocurrency market that will see us pumping to the moon? Currently, it's outperforming Bitcoin. Will status market cap get to the $1 billion level? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market is showing us signs of life. We're seeing a lot of altcoins have huge pumps to the upside. Status is one of those altcoins. The last 24 hours has seen status pumping up by more than 90%. The last 1 month, seen it gone up by 139%. The last 1 year, status is up 103%. Let's take a look at the status US dollar price chart. Right now, status is having a very great time. But guys, let's not forget, we've been in a bear market since 2021. This bear market has been long. This bear market has been brutal. But after 854 days, status has finally started a big pump to the upside. A brief history about status: this altcoin was pumping in 2017 after it was launched. We saw it going up by around 3,700%. And in this first full crypto bear market, it dumps Goblin Town, losing around 99% of its value. Guys, altcoins can be very volatile. Altcoins can have huge dumps to Goblin Town, but why market participants love altcoins is that after those huge dumps to Goblin Town, we used to see huge bull runs during alt seasons. We used to see altcoins pumping anytime the market is very bullish. We see them outperforming Bitcoin. In the previous bull run, saw status go up by more than 4,500%. $1,000 invested at the bottom would have given you over $45,000. We came to another bear market, and just like clockwork, status also dumped to Goblin Town, but this time losing only 94% of its value. We have been forming a bottom for majority of 2023. We have seen Bitcoin pumping to higher prices. We saw status start the year on a very bright note. We first had a 100% pump in January of 2023, but then we continued dumping to Goblin Town. We're going sideways. Right now, all coins are pumping to the moon. Status is among the leaders. We saw it finding support around the $0.019 level. And right now, we're getting ready for higher prices. While blasted above this critical support level, around the $0.034 level, status had a huge pump above that region. I'll not be shocked if we come back to backtest it. But guys, when the market starts going, when the market gets going, when all coins starts pumping to the moon, you will not be expecting backtest, because wave 3 is a wonder to behold. Most of these altcoins, when they start pumping during alt season, those pumps can be very aggressive. Remember to buy low, remember to sell high. Those smart investors that caught status when it was at the bottom, in the last 63 days, have seen their investment go up about 200%. Are you going to buy the dip? Are you enjoying the pump to the upside? Let's take a look at some details about status. It's up 100% in the last 24 hours, currently trading around the $0.058 level, with a market cap of $224 million, 24-hour trading volume of over $587 million. Status has a circulating supply of 3.86 billion tokens. Total supply sitting at 6.8 billion tokens. Fully diluted market cap sitting at $394 million. Status all-time high happened on the 4th of January 2018. That was 6 years ago. It was trading for 0.67. Right now, it is down 91% from that all-time high. The all-time low happened on the 13th of March 2020, 4 years ago, trading around the $0.061 level. Status is up 827% from that low. So why are investors hurrying up to buy some status? Why we're seeing a huge pump? Status is categorized as a mobile and desktop operating system and centralized browser that incorporates a messaging system. As such, status allows you to interact with the network at any time from anywhere. It was originally released in June of 2017. It's a light client Ethereum node and has the ability to give you access to other Ethereum centralized application, otherwise known as DApps, from an app that is installed on your mobile phone or tablet. This means that users can send encrypted messages as well as access decentralized applications, including a cryptocurrency wallet. So where can you get some status if you want to get some for yourself, if you want to enjoy some pumps, as we're seeing huge pumps in the market. Status is currently on Binance, it's currently on Coinbase Exchange, currently on BitTop, Uniswap, Bittrex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Remember to buy low, remember to buy low, guys, remember to sell high. You want to buy extreme fear in the market, you want to sell extreme greed. And extreme greed returning to the market very soon. Even though we're still in Bitcoin season, we're getting ready for that 2023 alt season. We're seeing altcoins starting to catch up to Bitcoin. We're seeing altcoins like Status having huge pumps. Guys, you want to buy these altcoins in Bitcoin season, you want to sell them when we get to alt season. I'll not be shocked to see Status continue pumping to higher prices. Other key levels to watch out for, these are levels where we might get rejected, we might find a little resistance at that $0.08 level, but I still believe we'll still see Status pumping to higher prices. So how high they are expected to go before the end of the year? Is a new all-time high possible? Let's use our Fibonacci retracement tool. How high can we see Status go in the coming days and the coming weeks from the all-time high that happened for Status in 2017 December? Guys, one key level I'll be watching out for Status as we continue pumping to the high side. If we pass the 2021 high, I'll not be shocked if Status maybe rally to as high as $0.4. If we're lucky, we might see it get to the $0.5 level. And best case scenario, it might pump to new all-time highs. But guys, remember, for it to pump to new all-time highs, it has to go up about 20x from here. It has to go up about 2,000%. And right now, Status market cap sits at the $222 million level. For it to go up around 20x, we see Status market cap around $4.5 billion. Do you think it can rally to the $4.5 billion before the end of the year? If you take a look at Status performance against Bitcoin, Status right now is currently outperforming Bitcoin. We've been seeing it dump to gobbling time against Bitcoin since the end of the 2021 bull run. But right now, it's having a very great day, a very great week, and a very great month. Outperforming Bitcoin by more than 100% over the last 30 days. We might see it continue outperforming Bitcoin till the end of the year. We're still currently in Bitcoin season, so imagine how high Status can pump when all coins get fully going. Status looks to be among one of the gainers, the huge gainers in the altcoin market. Status looks one of to be among the huge leaders. How high do we expect the market cap to go in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Status market cap could easily rally to that $1.5 billion level. If we break into new all-time highs, we might find difficulties around that $4.2 billion region, and that will see Status price going up by around 2,000% from here. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think Status can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you buying more, getting ready for that wonderful pump to the upside when all season arrives? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.